We're married. Yeah, I'm talking about. Yeah, I got no review.
Okay, man.
What's
You're
the
gonna
law?
end up catching yourself a charge, man.
What's the law?
You end up catching yourself a charge.
What's the law?
Straight.
Everybody's good, man. You guys didn't see anything over there?
What's the law? What's the law?
You getting it? You getting it?
What's the name of this?
Sergeant Valdez.
Badge number, sir.
175.
But I don't give. What's your badge number? 135. Sorry, I don't give.
Bang. Y'all try to come over here every day. Y'all bored. Y'all got to do. Y'all saw breakers. Y'all saw breakers. Y'all saw none of that. Oh, weird.
No other projectiles over here?
No, I haven't seen any.
We're looking at all the tags.
What's the power tag?
Oh, what's the reason? What's the reason? What's the reason?
We're doing investigation. So
Back up. Stop interfering with our investigation.
I tell you to back up.
Investigation for what?
We're investigating it.
Okay, cause of
Coronavirus. Back up, sir.
Cause of supervision.
Let me go look at your car. Let me go search your car.
Cause of